Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete captures on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Moment is a new on-platform experience designed to enhance community driven discovery is now in beta. The Moments experience servers as engine for discovery, immersing users in inspiring community captured gameplay. And from captivating gameplay, video or screenshot, players can engage with reactions and click join to enter new experience. Moments is currently accessible for surfaces such as search and more tab, with future plans for additional placement on home. So, what if you have captured so many moments and you want to delete the captures? It's very simple. So first of all, first to help to open our Roblox. Now you can go to moments or you can just open any game on your Roblox. For example, I will just go to moments. You can go to more. From more, you can go to moment. Okay. And here, you can check all your captures on the menu. You can select on Roblox menu. Select on captures. So here's all the captures videos or screenshot on your Roblox. And if you want to delete, maybe you want to delete one of this, you can select on the capture. There's an option delete, you can just select on that. Select on delete. Or if you want to delete multiple captures, you can just select on here, on the gear icon in here. Then you can just select on the uh, moments that you want to delete. This one, so this one, I want to delete this one too. Now you can just select on delete. This will be permanently delete your captures. Select on delete. So now you have delete that screenshot, photo, and also videos from your Roblox captures. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete captures on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.